Today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find and copy an Amazon product link using your laptop. If you want to share a product with someone or save the link for later, Amazon has a built-in option that makes this simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, go to Amazon, and open the product page you want to share. Now, look at the main product image on the left side of the page. Near the upper right corner of the image, look for the share icon. Click the share icon to open the sharing menu. You'll see several sharing options, such as email, Pinterest, Facebook, and X. At the bottom of the menu, look for the option labeled Copy Link. Click Copy Link once. The product link will be copied to your computer's clipboard. To test the copied link, open a new browser tab or a text editor such as Notepad. Click inside the text area and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the link. You should now see the Amazon product link. Using the built-in copy link option can be more convenient than manually selecting the address from your browser's address bar. Keep in mind that Amazon's product page and sharing options may look slightly different depending on your browser, location, and Amazon's current website layout. And that's how to copy an Amazon product link using your laptop. Simply open the product, click Share, select Copy Link, and paste it wherever you need it. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more useful Amazon guides. See you in the next video.